Hello, Gator Nation. I'm Dr. Carlos Rinaldi-Ramos, Chair of UF's Department of Chemical Engineering. Did you know that chemical engineering is one of the founding pillars of UF's history? For over a century, we've been advancing innovation as one of the pioneering departments that helped establish UF's legacy of excellence in research, education, and community impact. Behind every groundbreaking achievement in manufacturing, space exploration, drug development and delivery, disease diagnosis and treatment, sustainable energy and environmental solutions, and even advanced electronics, you can be sure to find a Gator chemical engineer driving progress forward and transforming the future. So this Giving Day, I invite you to be a part of this enduring legacy of innovation and impact. Together, let's empower the next generation of Gator chemical engineering leaders to soar to even greater heights. Your gift fuels their journey by strengthening our academic programs, leveraging cutting-edge advancements like artificial intelligence, machine learning, expanding internship opportunities, supporting high-stakes student competitions, enabling transformative study abroad experiences, and so much more. Every contribution you make opens doors. More scholarships, more global adventures, more hands-on industry opportunities, bringing our students and faculty closer to turning their aspirations into reality. Let's make it happen. Let's ensure every Gator chemical engineer has what it takes to excel, innovate, and leave an unforgettable legacy at UF. Here's to shaping the next 100 years of excellence and beyond. And as always, go Gators!